Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound-dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The last session saw the oil drop 0.7% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
US President Donald Trump signed an order to create a cryptocurrency working group, fulfilling a campaign promise after he courted cash from digital asset companies pledging to be a crypto president. The number of Americans filing new applications for unemployment benefits rose marginally last week, suggesting no deterioration in labor market conditions and reinforcing expectations that the Federal Reserve would not cut interest rates next week. The dollar was modestly lower in a choppy session, after comments from US President Donald Trump called for lower interest rates while providing no clarity on tariffs, and investors awaited a round of policy announcements from global central banks.
Thank you, Javier. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 18 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 6 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index at 6 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.